Wow. Look at that new camera quality. What's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel, man. I go by the name of M.O.E from More of Everything Media, where no one's got us like us. And when I say that, I mean that. I just want to go ahead and record this because it's something that's really important to me. So I want to go ahead and share it with you guys. I've been having a lot of love with the Got Clout era, the Got Clout icebreaker tees that were just literally like a meme shirt to me, something I had for myself. People outside were saying that it was really dope. Where'd you get that? Like, I want one. It was getting a lot of conversation with, people just walking down the strip, walking down Fremont. So I went ahead and made some. All sold out now. They're all gone. They're all gone. But I have some more stuff in store because, as you can see, with this logo behind me, I have been working. Oh, by these sticky notes too. A lot of things have been going on. M.O.E is going to be the only logo I'm going to put on t-shirts, on clothes now. But right now I want to go ahead and unbox something that I got, something specifically made for these uncertain times, man. I got a shipment in from my friends Yuka and Lefectra. Shout out to Lefectra Designs by Lefectra and Yuka, you chaggish. These guys have been supporters of me as I have of them for the longest. So we're going to go ahead and unbox a brand new product that I want to go ahead and share with you guys. Let's check it out. Box got damaged on the way here. Shout out to Parcel Services. You know, they just want to throw things and get it done. I was excited. I kind of actually already halfway opened it, but I decided, let me record this. Let me record the special moment with you right here. You see me? With you. What have we got here to unbox? What have we got? Priority mail. Oh my God. It's been highly requested and high demand that Got Clout turn into a face mask. We have Got Clout face mask here. And oh my God, M.O.E Media face mask. M.O.E Media, the logo, as I've been saying, the logo is here, ready to go. This is insane, man. It's super dope. I have about counting. Let's see here. They actually left me some inventory. Oh, and I got a nice little card here. I got a dope card. Let me check. We're gonna check that out. Real quick, I want to show you what was in the card from Lefectra and Yuka. This is very awesome that they give this to their customers. Yes, thank you. You're very welcome. Thank you. Oh, some business cards. Per usual, that's beautiful. Thank you for your purchase. Stay safe and fly. Love Lefectra with Lefectra. We love you too. Let's go ahead and shout her out, you guys. Designs by Lefectra. Follow on Facebook and Instagram. Check her out. She has a boutique, not just masks, but everything in between. Head wrap and clothing boutique. Here's the phone number. Here's the email. Holla at Lefectra for your designs. Let's go ahead and share the knowledge. Let's get everybody on because no one's got us like us. They actually really hooked me up. It's a real hookup. You might not be able to get this hookup, but I did. But still, go check out Designs by Lefectra, man. I got a total of 41, and I say 41 because I have my personal M.O.E Media mask right here. We're gonna show you that in a minute, but man, we got black, blue, off-white, and white. That's navy blue, by the way, for y'all who are wondering. Black, navy blue, off-white, and white. A total of 40 altogether. That's gonna be on the store soon. But let's check out, man. Let's check out the mask. Look at the craftsmanship. Look at the design. M.O.E Media on both sides. That's super dope. And the inside, look at that fabric right there. That shit is hard. I like this red floral fabric. And this mask right here is going to come with the bands. The the bands that go around you. But what's really cool is that they don't go around your ear and pull your ear, and that type of mask be hurting, man. I have a mask like that. It just pulls my ear and it hurts. This mask is actually gonna go over your head like so. Put this on. See, and first, of course, 2 straps to go over your head, so you can just walk around like this. You can just chill around like this. Hey, what up? Oh, I gotta go up in the store. Let me go ahead and put this piece on. So stick your face in. Boom! Look at the nose piece. How it nose is right. Oh man, I look like Scorpion from Mortal Kombat. Yo, this is clean. This is clean. I cannot express how excited I am. Woo! This is super clean. Let's go ahead and take it off. Now, also too, what I was told with the mask is that we're gonna have some variations here. We're gonna have some variations of the type of straps, because some people don't like these stretchy bands that go over the head and kind of pull on the skin. I understand that. We also have ones that you can adjust to. Oh, let me just get the whole grip out. Look at, they got clout. Even got the dope fabrics in there too. Dope fabrics, dope hangouts. Get it? Listen, we have got clout mask on both sides with the drawstring. So this one you can actually pull and adjust to your liking. Some people like it loose, easy on and off. Some people like it tight to really ward off any any people sneezing, any people coughing. This is super dope. And what I was told as well from Yuka is that some masks are going to be a bit wide. Some masks are going to be a bit thin. This is for people who don't have facial hair, who don't have a goatee, who don't have a beard. These are people who don't have facial hair. They can just easily stick it on. And it's a slim fit. Stick it on there. This one's for the people with facial hair. So you can get that variation at the store, at the M.O.E store, which this is going to be live literally the end of this week. This is going to be live, and I can't wait to just share it with you guys. I appreciate all the support, people who bought the Got Clout hoodies, the t-shirts. The t-shirts are all gone. The hoodies, I still have some sizes. Check that out on the listing. But now I've got some Got Clout masks, and I'm definitely going to make them nice and affordable for everybody. I know we're in trying times. Some people have lost their jobs, furloughed. But then again, some people got them unemployment checks. You know what I'm saying? Those unemployment checks definitely need to come in handy. If you're looking to invest in a mask that's going to last you for a long time and be reusable, you can wash these, people, ladies and gentlemen. You can wash these masks. We can go ahead and do that. Not a problem. So, that being said, man, that's all I had to really do is just unbox it, man. I got 40 masks in total. M.O.E, got clout white, off-white, got the black and the navy blue. Y'all holla at me if you want to definitely see it. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys, more things that I got going on, man. Got the brand new camera, brand new setup, man. Sticky Dought's been working. So stay tuned for more of everything. You already know what it is. So hit that like button, comment, subscribe. It really does help me because it's going to help my videos get seen by other people and people who need masks and can't get access to them. I have masks at really affordable prices. I'm not jacking the price up. And I got quality ones that you can wash and reuse and extra sanitize. And you know what? I would love to even do that test where you spray through them, but we're going to have to go ahead and do that at another piece of the video. So thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. Simo's back. Let's get some dope hangouts in as we unlock the city and come back into the kind of regular flow that we were. Let's go ahead and get things popping off. With that being said, holla at me, moreofeverythingmedia.com. Peace. I just always wanted to do that. That's what all the YouTubers do. I wanted to do the shoo. It's like that.
Clout. Got Clout hoodie. My boy Chris, man, been super supportive throughout the year, so let's gotta show love back to him, man. I appreciate you. Definitely rocking this probably this weekend.